Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is smirk. It is pronounced smirk and spelt S-M-I-R-K. Think sm and then irk. Smirk is both a noun and a verb. As a noun, it means a self-satisfied or slightly untrustworthy smile, and as a verb, it means to smile in a self-satisfied or slightly insulting way. It's a great word to use when you want to describe someone who is showing a sign of arrogance or disdain in their expression. For example, you could say, "The villain smirked as he watched the mighty hero fail." Or, "She couldn't help but smirk at her opponent's mistake." The word smirk comes from the Old English word smirkan, which means to smile. Today it means to smile, but in a negative way, almost as if the person smiling knows something you don't, and they are happy about it. In SpongeBob SquarePants, the character, Plankton, is often seen smirking as he schemes to steal the secret recipe of the Krabby Patty from the Krusty Krab. While talking to the other characters and claiming innocence, he can often be seen smirking at them behind their backs while he tries, and fails, to achieve his wicked goals. Synonyms for smirk are sneer and grin. Antonyms for smirk include frown, scowl, and sob. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, smirk. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.